What credit score do you really need to buy a house? So, when you're thinking about buying a home, your credit score is one of the biggest pieces of the puzzle. Think of it like your financial report card that lenders look at when trying to figure out if you qualify for a loan and which home loan will work best for you. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor in the DMV area. So, if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, let's connect. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment, like the video, share it. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you. So, the question is, what credit score do you really need to buy a house? Good credit score communicates to lenders that you have a track record for properly managing your debts, your finances. For this reason, the higher your score, the better your chances of qualifying for a mortgage and actually getting one of the best rates. However, the trouble is most buyers overestimate the minimum credit score they need to buy a home. According to Fannie Mae, a report from Fannie Mae, Fannie Mae, the big mortgage lender, only 32% of consumers have a good idea of what lenders require. That means nearly 2 out of every person don't know. So, just to give you a general ballpark, to give you a rough idea, according to Experian, the minimum credit score needed to buy a house can range, is always a range, from 500 to 700, but ultimately depend on the type of mortgage loan you are applying for and your lender. Every lender is different. Most lenders require a minimum credit score of 620 to buy a house with a conventional mortgage. Basically, it varies. Really, there's no thing set in stone. So even if your credit isn't perfect, like you are still in the 5 range, there's still options out there, So it's not just 620 or 700, there's still options. While many lenders use the credit score like FICO to help them make lending decisions. Each lender also have its own strategy, not just the FICO score. They also look at the level of risk that is acceptable to them. So there's really no single cutoff score. Like, oh, if you have 500, it depends on each lender. Each lender have different factors that they may use, right? And so if your credit score needs a little TLC, that means you're probably in the 400 range, don't worry. There's some easy steps that you can use right now to give it a boost. What am I talking about? If you want to get a boost, you want to start with paying your bills on time. Lenders want to see that you can reliably pay bills on time. This includes everything from your credit cards to utility bills to cell phone bills. Think about it this way: consistency matter, on time matter. Because if they want to give you money, they want to make sure you're already doing it now. You're responsible for the one that you already have now. You're paying it on time. So you want to do that. Second, you want to pay off any outstanding debt that can help you lower your overall debt. So if you have high credit card, you want to really pay it down. So that will make you less of a risk to lenders. Plus, it actually improves your credit utilization ratio. This is how much credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. So the way to tackle that is to quickly pay down your credit card, right? A lower score, a lower credit utilization ratio actually means you are a more reliable borrower to lenders. Number 3 thing you can do is don't apply for too much credit. While it may be tempting to open more credit cards to build up your score, it is best to hold off. Too many credit applications will lead to hard inquiries on your reports, which can temporarily lower your score. So you really want to avoid this. Your credit score is crucial when buying a home. Even if your score isn't perfect right now, there are still pathways to home ownership. Don't be discouraged. If your goal is to buy a house, let's connect. If you want to find out what your options are, even if your credit is not perfect right now, let's connect. So if you have any question, need advice on how to improve your credit to buy that house, reach out. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you give it thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to buy, sell, move, or invest in real estate, let's connect. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy buying.